There are few steps with which crawlers find the contents and then they rank the website. The first is the scanning. As you know, internet is just the collections of the computers connected over the cables, connected via the cables, and each computer has some IP address like 192, 160, 168, 264, or 398, and then there is some range. So in the scanning process, all these IP range is scanned, and then the data is collected, and then it is analyzed, and then stored, analyzed and stored in search engine database. Search engine database. Then in the next step, it indexes all the pages that it has stored and analyzed, and then it start to make the queries like how many pages are there and how many keywords are there and all those stuff. So query part comes after the, sorry, this is, I messed up with these steps. This is third, and then fourth is our query step. And then it does a lot of queries with the data, how many pages were there on the website, how many images are there, all those stuff. And then in the next step, it determines the keyword relevance of all the keywords that it has downloaded for that pages. And then once it has done the relevance, and then it finalizes the final output, which is our search results. So right from scanning to the generating the output, this takes less than a 1 second of time. And all your crawlers and whatever things comes right from when you enter the search keyword and then until you get the output, all this process taken takes place in the search engine.